one of them started bringing papers to OSA at the time she was 6 years old. She graduated from college this spring. Oromo youth are excelling in a multitude of ways across the continent, and they have new connections, new approaches, and mark my words, they will make unexpected contributions when the opportunities open up. And the scholarly alliances will pay off greatly. Those who make it to Oromia or otherwise encounter Oromo experience will not forget the conditions that they see in Oromia. In relative terms, the Oromo reality has not really been probed. In my experience, Oromo peasants, livestock herders, urban business people reveal enormous wisdom and show how acutely they are aware of the forces that impinge upon them whenever they have a chance to respond to researchers' honest questions. The truth just comes pouring out. They are their own best advocates. The challenge is to get the interviews to take place. So as I read to you at the outset, the primary goal of OSA is to promote Oromo scholarship. I suggest we find ways to make that work beyond our conferences and our excellent journal. We can choose to organize ourselves to enhance the goal of providing knowledge and creating these alliances. Since the Oromos are victims of empire in all its forms, they are aware, but not alone, in the conditions they face. So they share the experience of corporate globalization, power, inequity in the world system, crisis of health, environmental, social change, climate change. They have the opportunity to share in the responses that are building up all around the world. These are global crises experienced by a vast majority of people on the globe, and there is a vast global